Hey, FutureAI here, back with another video. Something massive has just happened in the world of artificial intelligence. OpenAI has officially announced a $38 billion partnership with Amazon Web Services. This deal could completely reshape the future of ChatGPT and its next major version, ChatGPT 6. Let us take a closer look at what this partnership means, why it happened now, and how it could change everything about how ChatGPT 6 is created, trained, and delivered to the world. According to Reuters and The Guardian, OpenAI has signed a 7-year cloud computing deal with Amazon Web Services worth $38 billion. The agreement gives OpenAI access to massive computing power inside Amazon's global data centers. This includes hundreds of thousands of Nvidia processors that will power the training and operation of OpenAI's most advanced systems. Until now, OpenAI relied almost entirely on Microsoft Azure for cloud infrastructure. That partnership began years ago and has been the foundation for ChatGPT's success. But depending on a single provider for everything is risky. One hardware shortage, one outage, or one policy change could slow down the entire company. By teaming up with Amazon, OpenAI has solved that problem. ChatGPT 6 will no longer depend on just one company's servers. It will run across multiple systems that work together to make everything faster, stronger, and more reliable. This partnership gives OpenAI greater freedom, security, and flexibility to build the future. For Amazon, this is a huge victory. Its cloud service, AWS, already dominates the global market, but competition from Microsoft and Google has been growing. Hosting OpenAI's training infrastructure gives Amazon a powerful role in the race to control the future of artificial intelligence. To understand the scale, a $38 billion contract is one of the biggest in tech history. It shows that OpenAI is preparing for something far larger than what we see today. ChatGPT 6 is expected to be faster, smarter, and far more capable than any previous version. That kind of progress needs an enormous amount of computing power. Through this deal, OpenAI gains access to both Nvidia's latest hardware and Amazon's own AI chips, known as Trainium and Inferentia. These are designed to speed up machine learning while cutting down costs. That means OpenAI can train ChatGPT 6 faster and deliver updates more efficiently than ever before. So why now? Because the global AI arms race is heating up. Every major company is competing for chips, power, and data centers. There are not enough Nvidia processors in the world to satisfy demand. Governments are adding export restrictions. Smaller AI startups are struggling just to get the resources they need. OpenAI understands that compute power is the real key to the future of intelligence. Whoever controls the compute controls the progress of AI. By joining forces with both Microsoft and Amazon, OpenAI ensures it will always have the resources it needs to stay ahead. There is also a financial strategy behind this move. A contract of this size likely locks in lower prices for cloud services and guarantees early access to new Nvidia technology. This saves OpenAI millions and gives it a long-term advantage. When the news broke, Amazon's stock rose by over 5%, adding billions in value. Investors saw the partnership as a clear signal that AWS is once again leading the AI infrastructure market. Meanwhile, industry analysts believe OpenAI may also begin hosting parts of ChatGPT 6 in Amazon's new data centers in Europe and the Middle East to make the model faster and more stable across the world. For users, this means real benefits. ChatGPT will respond faster, experience fewer outages, and handle more complex requests. It will also allow OpenAI to roll out upcoming features like real-time voice conversation, image analysis, and video generation more smoothly. This deal also supports one of OpenAI's most anticipated features for ChatGPT 6, persistent memory. That means ChatGPT could remember details about you and your preferences over time, creating more personalized experiences. These features require huge computing capacity, and this partnership makes it possible. But as with every major step forward, new questions arise. When two of the world's largest companies share responsibility for hosting one of the most advanced AI systems on Earth, how is user data managed? Who is responsible for security? And how transparent will the process be? These are questions that regulators, developers, and users will keep asking. At the same time, this deal has created new pressure for OpenAI's competitors. Google DeepMind, Anthropic, and xAI are all racing to build models that can match ChatGPT's success. Anthropic recently made a large agreement with Google Cloud, but OpenAI's $38 billion commitment sets a new standard for scale and ambition. Some experts believe that this move is part of OpenAI's preparation for continuous learning models. Instead of updating once every few months, these systems could learn constantly, adapting to new data every day. Such systems would need uninterrupted access to computing power around the clock, something only a global network like Amazon can provide. Inside OpenAI, teams have been reorganizing for months to prepare for this level of growth. The company is planning the next phase of development that will bring ChatGPT 6 to life. With Amazon now in the picture, it has the infrastructure to train and deploy models faster and at a much larger scale. This partnership is not just about technology. It is about influence and independence. OpenAI is positioning itself to lead the next decade of AI innovation without being tied to any single company or government. By spreading its operations across multiple cloud providers, it gains stability and leverage in an increasingly competitive landscape. The $38 billion agreement is the foundation of the next generation of ChatGPT. It ensures that when ChatGPT 6 launches, it will have the power to set a new global standard in artificial intelligence. So what can we expect next? The upcoming months will likely bring new announcements about ChatGPT 6 features, improved reasoning, faster responses, and a deeper understanding of context. This deal with Amazon gives OpenAI the freedom to experiment and the strength to expand globally. And while most people will only see ChatGPT's new abilities on their screens, the real story is happening behind the scenes in giant data centers running day and night to make this possible. We are witnessing a new chapter in AI history. The race is no longer about who has the best algorithm, but who can power it at scale. And with both Amazon and Microsoft now backing OpenAI, the future of AI looks more powerful than ever. So as we move closer to the release of ChatGPT 6, one thing is clear. The foundation is ready, the partnerships are secured, and the technology is advancing faster than anyone expected. That wraps up today's deep dive. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to keep up with the rise of ChatGPT 6 and the latest AI breakthroughs, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring the future with me here on Future AI.